Mic check 1 2 1 2. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Tank B Chappin, and I'm back with another haircut tutorial. Alright guys, so what we're going to be doing on this cut is a burst fade mohawk. We aren't taking any length off the sides, or off the top, I'm sorry. We're leaving the length on it. We're just going ahead and add that burst fade effect. So let's go ahead and get straight into it. As you can see, I'm taking my Babyliss Pro Lithium FX. I got my number 4 guard on my clipper, and I'm just debulking the area to where I want the burst fade to be. Now when we do this burst fade, guys, there's different ways we can do this. We can come like really mohawk-ish, and then we can come to where it's really just right behind the ear a little bit. It's basically based just on preference and what your client wants. So make sure you consult with your client before you go ahead and start debulking or start any of the fade work. But as you can see, I'm taking my number 4 guard, debulking the sides, and as you can see here, I'm using my comb to make sure that the hair stays in place. That way I debulk that with my number 4 guard. And once again, guys, you want to consult with your client. Make sure you know exactly how much of the hair to cut off. You know what I'm saying? You want to ask if they want it to be, you know, more mohawk looking or more just like a taper with a little bit behind the ear. You know what I'm saying? There's different ways to do this, but you just got to consult with your client correctly and enough to where you know exactly what you're doing. Now I'm going in with my blending shears, using some shear over comb, and I'm just really just fading this bulk into the number 4 guard. Now I'm going to go in with my absolute hitter from Stylecraft. I'm going to go ahead and set in my first initial bald guideline. And as you can see, we're going just around the ear. And this is the shape I'm going to keep for the whole fade. I'm going to go ahead and line him up in the back just to help give me a better visual of the fade once I start fading it in. And he did want a pointed, rounded effect to the back of the haircut. And I think the back is where you can get really creative with it. You can do square, round, you can do pointed, whatever really suits your client's needs. Now we're hitting the bald area with the shaver. So now I'm going in with my number 3 guard. Y'all know I like to do a little bit of down fading before I actually get into the, you know, the tough fade work. So this is my number 3 guard, going right under what I did with my number 4 guard earlier. Still just trying to fade, you know, the shorter hair into some of that bulk, trying not to create such a harsh line. Really just trying to blend it into the longer hair that we have on the top. So now I'm going in with my clipper all the way open, and I'm setting in my next guideline. And as you can see, I'm using a slight flick out motion towards the top of where I want that guideline to be. And the reason why I'm doing that is, guys, I want to make this guideline easier for me to take out. If I just come in with my clipper and don't use any flick out motion, it's going to make that it's going to make that section harder to take out. And as you can see, I'm doing some down fading technique within this section. I close my lever halfway, coming halfway into the section, and then close my lever all the way and flick at that bottom line. And for the most part, it's going to take this line out, and if it doesn't, I can come back later if needed. Now this is my number 1 guard lever open, and I'm doing the same exact thing, creating a new section, still using that flick out motion at the top of where I want that guideline to be. And then I'm going to do some down fading in this section also. I just closed my lever all the way, and I'm attacking the bottom of that section. Now I'm going in with my 1.5 guard, and once again, guys, I'm doing the same exact thing, lever open, coming up another section using a slight flick out motion. And as you saw me do right there, guys, I just closed my lever just to really get this blend to come together. And you'll see me do some lever play. Well, I didn't close my lever all the way. I think I just closed it a little bit. But nonetheless, guys, you're going to see me adjust my lever as needed to really get this blend to come together. So there I go. I just closed my lever right there. And now I'm just attacking these dark areas in the blend. And as you can see, I am using the corner of my blade. I don't like to use my whole blade all the time. I use it normally when I'm setting in my guidelines, but when I'm actually fading, I like to use the corner of my blade. So now I'm going back in with my 3, cleaning up the top of this faded area. Really just trying to get this blend nice and neat. And then I believe after this, I'm going to be using my number 2 guard to really get this blend to come all the way together. No, I'm sorry, I lied. My bad. This is actually my number 4 guard, and I'm fading in the shorter hair still into the bulky area. Obviously, I saw some hair that I wanted to clean up, so that's what I'm doing here. Now I'm back down to my number 3 guard. And then now we're moving to that number 2 guard. You're doing some lever play going in, just using the corner of my blade, cleaning up any dark areas that I see, adjusting that lever as needed, making sure that I'm combing the hair down, that way I can actually see what's going on with the hair, making sure that this blend is coming together. 1.5 guard. And y'all gonna have to excuse my voice, guys. I literally just got up. It's like 5 in the morning. I think I'm getting a little sick, but nonetheless, I had to make sure I recorded this voiceover for y'all. Your boy been putting out daily content, so I had to make sure I got up early to do this before I went to the shop. Now I got my number 1 guard on my clipper, lever all the way open. And once again, guys, I'm just cleaning up this blend. I already said in my guidelines, I already did most of the fade work. I'm just going back in and cleaning everything up. Here's my 0 guard or my half, my 0 guard or my half guard, whatever you want to call it. Making sure I'm doing some lever playing, getting this blend nice. No guard, lever play. Y'all see your boy working with them clippers. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this haircut so far, guys. I know I'm not done with it, but it's already coming together. Do y'all have any clients that get this actual haircut? I think I have now I have a little more clients that get this cut more than I did before. I actually give this cut to my son. Only difference is I actually give him a comb over with it, so it looks slightly different, and I come to a point in the back. But nonetheless, guys, we ain't talking about that right now. Let's go ahead and move to my client's lineup. And y'all know I like to start in the middle of my client's lineup, set in my initial guideline, and then work my way over. Now I'm hitting that vertical bar. And just for reference, these are the Stylecraft Absolute Hitters with the new X Pro blade on them. Hitting that C cup. Y'all know how your boy does it, man. Just trying to get these lines nice and sharp. Now that lineup is in there, I like to go back into my blend and do some cleanup work, you know what I'm saying, really get this blend to pop even more and try to take this haircut to the next level. And when it comes to detailing, you just gotta go where you feel is needed, you know what I'm saying? Use whatever guards you feel is necessary. If you have to, go back and start all the way over from your biggest guard and work your way down. I tend to do that a lot, especially with hair that I'm not too familiar with. I just use a bigger guard and just work my way around my guards and really try to get that blend to come together. But now we're moving to the opposite side, guys. We're gonna be doing the same exact steps. And remember, guys, if you like any of these tools you see in this video, I think in this video I'm using the Babyliss Lithium. Well, I am using the Babyliss Lithium FX Plus. You can get this clipper from the website babylesspro.com. You can use my discount code TANK10. And then the trimmers that I'm using is the Stylecraft Absolute Hitters with the Gamma X Pro blade, and you can get those from the Stylecraft website or the Gamma Plus website. You know, they both have the Absolute Hitter, but you can order it off of that website, and you can use my discount code TANK10 on those also. And then if y'all like illusion capes, guys, I don't say this in a lot of my videos, but you can actually go to the illusion website and use my discount code TANK15. Save yourself 15% on them illusion capes. You know, illusion be dropping them nice capes, man. So go ahead and get you 1 or 2 or whatever. Go ahead and knock you off a few if you want. I know I got a bunch of them. But as you can see, your boy is putting in that guideline for my clients, you know, the bald guideline. Now I'm taking all that down to razor. And now I'm gonna start my fade work. And once again, guys, we're gonna be doing the same exact thing that we did on the opposite side. So I'm going in with my lever all the way open, setting in the guideline. I'm gonna fade that down. Now I'm going in with that number 1 guard, lever all the way open. But anyways, guys, before I just keep talking about this haircut, I did want to talk to y'all a little bit about how your boy has been putting out daily content. Like, it's been I don't want to say it's been a struggle, but it's been a different type of hustle, you know what I'm saying? Like, normally I put out like 2 or 3 videos a week. Now for the past 2 weeks, I think tomorrow will actually make 2 weeks, I've been putting out videos every day, and I've been putting out tutorials, unboxing, blade swaps, you know what I'm saying, reaction videos. Like, I got some more ideas in the vault, guys. I just got to record them. So I'm hoping I don't fall behind. I actually don't have a video set up for tomorrow. Normally I have a video already ready to go, but I do not have a video set for tomorrow. But I got a couple ideas. So luckily today, I'm not working at the shop all day. I'm getting off early today, and I'm gonna come home, you know, lock myself in the office and see what I got to come up with to put out some new content. But y'all let me know if y'all like your boy putting out daily content, or if y'all just like the 2 or 3 videos a week. I know it's based on preference, but I'm trying to give y'all different types of content, so I don't want to just put out the same thing over and over and over. I'm not trying to do a bunch of tutorials every day. I'm not trying to do a bunch of just vlog type videos every day. So y'all let me know what type of videos y'all would like for me to do. Also, I know some people said reaction videos. I may have to go back and do some, like, I don't know what you would call them, but like basically going back to some of the clippers that I used 6-7 months ago and seeing if they're still worth it now. So I think that's what I'll be doing, guys. But nonetheless, guys, let's go ahead and get back into this haircut. As you can see, I'm lining up my client, the opposite side of my client's head. Started off in the middle and just continue to move my way to the opposite side, hitting that C cup. Now, when it comes to doing this haircut, guys, it can be more difficult than a mohawk, but just don't overthink it. Just literally just do your basic fading steps. Just really remember when you're coming to the back, make sure that you round it and do that little burst effect. But now we're moving on to the enhancements. I got No Drip by 245 in my, I think it's called Airlock or Auto Lock compressor. I always forget the damn name of this compressor, but it's a real good one, guys. I really like this one a lot. And I'm just hitting my client with them enhancements to make them lines pop a little more. Now we're gonna move on to the razor work. And remember, guys, when it comes to razor work, you wanna make sure you're stretching your client's skin. That way you lessen the chance of nicking your client. Alright, guys, so check it out. This is how my client came into the shop looking. This is the before look, and this is the finished product. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this haircut in the comment section. If y'all like this video, please make sure to smash that like button. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure and subscribe one time for your boy. Remember, guys, if you're in the Houston, Texas area and you want a haircut from your boy, you can go to my website, tankbechopping.com. You can book an appointment there. I am in the Houston, Texas area. If you want me to record it for YouTube, make sure to put that in the comment section. But y'all let me know what y'all think about this cut, guys. I appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, let's go. Yeah.